Hi, I'm Sayli. By profession, I'm into marketing and advertising, but there's so much more to my story. I'm a poet at heart, a filmmaker capturing life's unscripted moments, and a passionate cook, always ready to whisk up something delightful. Today, I've decided to bake a cake, not for a birthday or an anniversary, but to celebrate. Celebrate everyday life, celebrate me, and sheer joy of being in Canada. Why wait for a special occasion to express gratitude for what we have? Each day gives us countless reasons to celebrate. Whether I'm capturing the sunrise through my lens or finding the perfect rhythm in a dog's walk, a kid swinging in the park, or a boy playing basketball on the streets. There's magic in the mundane, if only we choose to see it. Since arriving in Canada, my journey has been about discovery of a new place, new people, and rediscovering myself amidst the joys and challenges of settling in a new country. Today, as I mix the batter for a cake, it's not just about eating something sweet, it's about savoring life's flavors, the success, the surprises, the simple moments of happiness. Life's too short to wait for big milestones to feel joy. Every day is an untold story, every moment an opportunity to party about something. So break the mold and bake your cake any day, every day. Celebrate for no reason at all except that you are here and you can.